We have arrived! This is called the Blue Hole. I'm gonna give you guys a good look.
Them a flu, when I catch the fever. You can't control me life like the creaser. You coulda never shut them out of a believer. Big foot can't fit in a me sneaker. Them a flu, when I catch the fever.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. So today is Saturday and we're going on a little adventure. We're going to Alligator Pond, so you guys are gonna get to come with us. You guys are gonna get to be a part of the excitement of the fun. Swimming, like guys, the sweet to say, I want to jump off to the boat. Can't miss something here. So we don't know which other way. So we stopped in Clarendon to get something to eat. So let's see how the day goes. You get to come along with us.
Sweet Jamaica, man, and I land that. Me no stop love it. I mean, know the world massive love it and them respect it, man. Hear this?
So we finished eating and we're about to go again. So I have like about 2.5 hours, guys. I can't wait. What's that?
You're good looking and you're passing this one, you smell good.
Oh, I smell good and look good. Smell good, look good. Thank you.
Me like your style, but me kind of shy.
You shy?
I'm shy too, me not know what for money. And just take your number and call you. And
Take my number and call me?
Yeah, I want 100,000 and tell you.
$100,000?
Yes, I'm going to get nothing yet. I'm not young. You can do me anything. I wish months you want.
Yeah, buy monkey.
A lot of mercy. Help me pick up Jamaica, the land of wood and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country?
So guys, we got to St. Elizabeth. We're in Alligator Pond and we're about to get fish because, you know. Hi, struggle.
Yeah, shout out to Tiff, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here in the ocean. About to get this amazing fish. It's like seawater fresh.
Oh my
Let's get
god.
it.
Right, we're gonna go get fish because we're gonna do like a seaside instead of like it, but seaside get together enjoyment thing and again we're not gonna see the massive fish tomorrow.
Never know a serious thing until me reach and foreign. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. Now with the money in your pocket and a God in your heart. Crowd of people, what more you want? Reggae music a play and reggae artists a chant. I saw me born and me not transplant. What a nice place to live. Sweet jam down.
Hey guys, welcome to St. Elizabeth. We are in Little Ochi. Now you know you have big Ochi where them say you need a visa for go. You don't need a visa for come. It's a passport alone and driver's license. I Little Ochi. So they say them guys, that's not Little Ochi. It's Aswal. It's Aswal. Alright, so Little Ochi done us, sir. Let's show them Little Ochi done us. They always say that the whole thing is Little Ochi. But thanks though. Yes. So we see the beach view. Hello. Swimming gonna go on later like mad. I'll be your excitement. I can't wait for you guys to see what we're about to do. You're gonna enjoy today's vlog. Alright guys, so later. Thank you.
Certain countries see this system of fraud, them have to run back a jam down and give it its reward. What a nice place we live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a sweet place we live. Sweet jam down, the only problem.
Okay, we are here. We are finally here. Time for the big reveal. Are you guys ready to see where we are? Guys, the view is breathtaking. So, 3, 2.
Yes, I'm a born, yes, I'm a come from. Yes, I'm a live, yeah, me intend for turn. Regardless of the economical condition, you must admit this is a glorious land. Say what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is Dollars now run, say what a nice place we live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run, so help me pick up Jamaica, the land of food and water. The system might not proper, we love the food, the vibes and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country?
So guys, I'm gonna change off now. Swimming. Tell them the time out, so you know, so the water gonna really cool down things. So you know, I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do today. When the food done cook, when we're in the water, oh god, I'm not gonna tell them yet. Never look a secret. Never look a secret for no. Look a surprise, guys. All I say is pray for me. I don't want afraid. I want to do it. Comment down below if you think you know what I'm gonna do. And again, right in the middle, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna interject and say, make sure that you subscribe to. If you want more of these beautiful sceneries and more cool adventures, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell and hit the thumbs up and ensure that you share it with your friends. Okay, you don't want you all want to enjoy all the niceness. Come on, bring other people in the niceness. Hello, friends, share. Soon come, guys. And I'm back. So I'm coming, babe. We could pretend that this is mine for the rest of the trip. We could. But because I want to wear back home, we're gonna get rid of it. So the next time you see me, this will be gone.
Said that it's a serious thing until me reaching a foreign. Oh, what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. Oh, what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. As a Jamaican, my argument is whoever said them clever, them to stop the promises and just mass production in all the parishes. And jam down will progress like all the countries. What a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. Jamaica and Jamaicans are extremely great. Appreciate love by people, some say appreciate. Well, since we know that, make we concentrate on how we make the dollars start circulate. And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. From money in your pocket and joy in your heart. Crowd of people, what more you want? Reggae music a play and reggae artists a chat. I have some me born and me not transplant. What a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem.
So guys, I just always just finished eating, and now we're going to the special surprise. I told you that I had to do that. Special. I mean, it's very popular in Jamaica, but this is one of those areas that's not very populated. It's not like a tourist attraction or anything, right? But it's nice. The sun looks good in my back. Oh, look at the glow. Look at the glow. Yes, so we're going. We have arrived! This is called the blue hole. I'm gonna give you guys a good look. A good look. Go on now. Look at that, guys.
And you can't walk so far for nothing.
Wow. Guys, look down there.
It looks kind of scary than before.
Yeah, it kind of look too open for me. So them guys, what happened here? Them jump off. So I'm asking no prayer. Wait. I want to get this. Y'all prayed? Y'all think I can? Remember? No. Y'all think I can? Let's see what's gonna happen. I don't know. It's very deep. So first contestant, Mr. Allen.
Sure.
Who's going next? Punching out a little fella. Rodney next in my warm up.
I mean, yeah, Tasha. Wow. It's just a melt down my body, so.
Sonny, you take off your clothes faster.
What are they post up?
We're not paying. We're not paying.
I said, why am I still a go down?
Just look where I'm going now, water. I see just bring my back.
Just to get the pass.
Don't do anything. I'm not doing nothing.
Yeah, Rodney. You did it, man.
Rodney, you don't take me here. Yeah?
Notice your brother and sister did it, you know.
Yeah, struggle? I should go. Calm down.
Yeah, why you do that, Jordan?
I should never leave you that.
The water does.
Tiffany, you go? That's how everyone come.
Taya, just jump to me on the man. Yes, sir. Just grab me on.
Tiffany out of this.
Relax and grab me on. There, yes, sir. Yeah, come on.
Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on.
I'm so proud of you.
It's going in. She's going to her huzzy.
Guys, this is how
Alright,
much you
don't bother
love
tell
you.
yourself, say, look
Do
here.
it for the fans, we not do it for my life.
But just want to know what for
Yeah, just keep, yeah. As long as you keep moving,
Just keep swimming.
and I'm here behind you.
Just keep swimming.
Then you laugh.
Just keep going.
Dive.
Hey, Tiffany,
Sean
over
don't
here,
become a
sir.
door and forget to go in for
Boy, where my phone there? And if you catch Tiffany from the angle, yeah.
Don't worry yourself.
Show Rodney. You
Rodney.
need to see her face. Look back here and see my phone.
Don't worry yourself. I got you.
Trust me, I know why it's so hard.
I can't even move.
Alright. Let me go puke. No.
Yes, thank you, Sonny. I got it.
Tiffany.
1 minute got already done.
Childbearing feel? No, that's
And you know how none yet?
why there's so many cameras? Alright,
Tiffany.
No more.
Taya, she worse than you
No
know.
more coercing. No more coercing. Oh Lord.
You can do this, TB.
Tiffany, like, I know the feeling that is going through your body.
You guys know me, she.
But let me tell you, once you get off that rock,
Yeah.
There's no turning back.
there's no turning back, honey.
I'm not ready. No, I'm not ready. But you know I'm not ready. When you're ready, you know. I'm not ready.
Stop the video then.
Should I take you off in a while ago?
This is
For the blog. Do it for the blog. Do it for the blog.
Do it for me.
Blog.
Do it for me. Take it back, that guy.
You need to do it for the love and do it for the life.
So you don't know?
You can't do
But do it for the love or do it.
Guys, oh God, I feel so sorry, bad, but I'm sorry. I couldn't. I really tried. It deep, you know? Jesus, it's like when I stand up here, I'm not seeing no bottom, I'm not seeing no end. So, we're going back across. I'm still dry. Everyone else jumped except me. But we're working on it. We're working on it. And I will come back, because I always come. And I'm going to work on my technique so that I'll be able to do better. Alright, so let's go enjoy the rest of the place here, man, because I'm not going to pretend, listen, I'm not have my children yet. I don't have children. And I don't believe I should do anything when I'm that scared of it. Like, hello, tears. I'm going to insert some clips. tears come on my eye. But I'm gonna work on it. Work on it? Work on it. So guys, we've come to the end of a fun-filled day. Stop right on the roadside, just
You're at Fireside.
sorry, we're at Fireside. We're stopped, bathroom break. And I just want to say thank you for sitting along and watching through to the end. If you watched through to the end, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. And just as I said before, look out for many more adventures from me and other little moments. You know, I promise to make it as exciting as I can and as informative and just have a good day, good time. So until another time, thank you for watching this vlog. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe and share, and I'll see you next time. Later from Life with Tiffy.